Alright guys, how we doing? This is going to be a quick video on how to change the idler pulley on a Samsung dryer. If your dryer is making a squealing noise, chances are it's your idler pulley. Alright, and not your drum wheels where your drum rides on here. You can pretty much tell if these are damaged. You know, you can just give them a quick spin. If they spin freely, you know, they're fine. Your idler pulley is located down by the motor. Alright, there's one Phillips screw that you have to remove, and there's a spring that's attached to it. It's quite an easy job. If you take a look here, this is the spring, and this is the screw here that holds the idler pulley on. There's a lot of videos on how to disassemble the dryer. You pop the top lid. There's a couple of screws. You pull the cover off. Okay, you pull the drum. There's a lot of videos on YouTube on how to do that. What they don't show you on YouTube is they right away tell you to go and get a new belt idler pulley. Chances are, okay, these just have a little bit of grease on them. I mean, there is some wear on this. You can see it right here. But I'll tell you the truth. I'm going to slap some grease on here, alright, and this will be fine again, at least for the time being. If your wife is on your ass that she needs her clothes dried and you don't have time to wait 2 or 3 days to go get a pulley, this is the quick fix. Alright, take some denatured alcohol. Don't use any type of solvent that's going to leave some residue behind, because God forbid it stains your wife's blouse. You're going to be up shit's creek. So take some denatured alcohol. Clean your idler shaft. Clean inside the bearing here. Alright, take some white lithium grease. You don't have to overdo it. Just do a little bit. And one thing, do not lose this little fiber washer. Alright, that goes on here first. Then your pulley. Alright, and then you got your little plastic, I guess snap ring you want to call it. And that goes on there. Alright, so just give me a minute. I'm going to put some grease on here, and I'll be right back, and I'll show you how the pulley works.